Today we have the MAONO USB XLR podcast dynamic microphone. Thanks for MAONO for sponsoring today's video with this PD200X microphone. So on the front we have a mute button, 2-in-1 digital knob, volume gain, and headphone gain. Alright, so on the bottom here we have a USB-C. With this port you don't need an audio interface to connect this to your PC. You could just plug and play direct. And this button right here is your RGB switch. And right here we have 3.5 headphone jack, and also a XLR output, so you can connect this to your audio interface. Nice part about this microphone, it comes with the boom arm, which some microphones don't come with. Easy process to install. Put the desk mount on the boom arm, connect it to your desk, put the microphone on the boom arm, then you should be ready to connect your cables. Now this is on for sale on Amazon for $80 right now. This is a whole starter kit, whoever wants to start streaming podcasts or voiceovers. This is how it looks with my setup, and let's try to get some gameplay with this using it. And I did record this voiceover using this microphone, and in the comments let me know how this sounds. Alright, new Cyberpunk update recently happened. Let's do some missions and commentate over this gameplay. And we are playing this on hard mode. Just restarted it the other day. Got tired of the easiness of the game. That's it. That was easy. Damn. There's headshots in this game, it's no joke. Let's go in for headshots with the throwing knife. Oh, completely missed that. Oh, shotgun. Let's see what these brothers are doing right here. What are you guys up to, huh?
God.
Ooh, your brother's passed out. Right here, this is it.
You've stepped in it now. I'm Elizabeth. My husband...
Hang on, I gotta go.
That's what I'm talking about.
This ain't looking good!
Now we can talk. Go ahead.
My husband and I, we needed some...
Who's there, for fuck's sake?
Where do we gotta go? This looks pretty neat. Oh, almost forgot this. Main source. Oh, actually, there's a couple of things to do down here.
Don't like this.
We could have trouble.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.